What's up, guys? So in this video we'll be showing you I replaced the I put a Honda badge sticker on top of the old chrome Honda one. This is a great way to not spend a lot of money, because I've seen some people spend like $200 on a legit like JDM airbag, and just for the airbag, not even the steering wheel. So it looks great. It looks like it's actually the real thing, so that's up to you. Watch the video and you'll see, and then on the next video I'll be making about the other two trim pieces as well. Really cheap mod, I would say. Thank you for watching. Check out those nails for Maggie, come on.
Pause it. Pause it for the quick. I can't do. Fuck, I will break the app. Wait, hold on. Let me do some keys.
This video is gonna turn into how to women can open fucking package.
I can't open it. This stupid bitch don't know how to open shit, huh?
Right, so this one is supposedly they're Honda genuine parts. I don't know. I doubt it, to be honest. So I only paid like $20. I don't know. I'll confirm that later. But so this is for the back emblem, and this one's for the front. Are you serious?
Yeah, bro, I can't open it.
Oh my god.
Do the front. I can't open it. Angel. Got the camera.
Just bite it.
I don't want to.
Oh my god.
Bro, what the fuck is this thing made out of? I've never fucking dealt with plastic like this shit.
2 hours later.
There you go.
So she finally got it. What is the quality look? Okay, so this goes here. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna grab the white down there. And we're gonna clean this. I grab like the, yeah, from the, yep, you got it. Okay, so this is like the easiest install ever.
The hardest part was the fucking
The hardest part was opening
the actual package.
Okay, so yeah, so make sure we clean here because it's got a stick. Alright, so we're gonna do that to your card too. Alright, so it's clean. Where's the, over here? So I get a cloth. So it has to be dry, and then it's clean. She was dirty. Peel that off.
Yes.
Okay, so hopefully I get it straight.
Do you want me to hold the camera?
Yeah, just hold it right there. Okay, hold on. I don't think I care about this. Okay. So, fuck. Like that? Yep. Yep, that's it. Okay, so now we just I wanted them to get scared and you got scared. Oh yeah. Alright. Okay, so it looks good. Actually, I thought it was gonna look like you could see it like overlay,
Like
but it
this.
doesn't.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it.
No, not bad. It looks like it actually belongs there. Cool. Oh yeah, it looks way better on the game. Alright, so good job, Megan. You did the hardest part,
I really did.
opening this. So yeah, you like it, right? So we're gonna do that to your car. I'll send you the link to buy it. Cool. Okay, so we got this, and now we're gonna do this one. It's the same thing. Crazy kids, my old school. We didn't have that nice grass before. That
It was ratchet.
turf field. Yeah. Okay, so we got a steering wheel. ¿Cómo se dice? Molding cover for this.